New adventure today. The people over in North Carolina are freezing. The rural areas are suffering tremendously. The lines for propane are like 7 miles long. It's unbelievable. So I'm picking these propane tanks up, taking them to a buddy of mine, and they're going to be delivering them tomorrow morning. Please feel free to reach out to any of the organizations that are helping. I'll try to post some links if I can. Okay, we are pulling into Food City. This is a local big food chain. Good people here too, but they are saving us 40 tanks, and those tanks are called Blue Rhino. The Blue Rhinos come filled, and you purchase them. They're about $50-some a piece, already filled, and we're going to hopefully end up with 40 of them. And that's what they look like there. Okay, look at how much we've got. This is trip number 1. I don't know if I can carry any more. I'm meeting my buddy Terry, and we're going to load up. He's got some more, and then we're going to get these to the staging area, and then off they're going to the Carolinas. So keep your fingers crossed. Today is the big day. We are heading to Swannanoa, North Carolina. This is one of the areas that's been hit really, really bad. The weather is supposed to be incredibly bad coming up. So we're going to try to get the first round of tanks over there. We've got just over 100, and I got online last night, yesterday afternoon, and I've been on there pretty much about all night trying to get everything squared away. We've got a great place. I'll tell you more about it, who's going to be helping us. Also, he posted a video, and I think this will give you an idea of what this guy's like. And honestly, he's really a cool guy.
Y'all, I ain't kidding. I need your help. Share this video. I just got done talking to a guy named Joe Lupo. Joe, what a name. Anyways, Joe is bringing 120-pound propane cylinder tanks to Generation Church Hurricane Relief Hub Saturday, January the 18th. It's 11 o'clock at night, and we just got this thing coordinated.
So that's what we've got coming when we get there, and it's all going to be positive. And we're here at my buddy, just to let you know, traffic jams. Jason's the one that came up with this great plan, and it's going to be exciting. Some really good people are involved, and this may be illegal, but look what we've got. This is so interesting because it's crazy when you look at footage that you shot, and sometimes you just don't remember it this way, but I can see all the pallets and containers that have already been given out, and this is unbelievable. These people are just, they're devastated. once again, it's hard not to get emotional. There's a big line. I'm not going to show the line. I'm not going to show the people here that are trying to get supplies and just everything from Pampers to propane to you name it. And there's so many volunteers here that are doing incredible work, and it's just, gosh, I don't even know what to say, but this is it for me. I'm getting off the camera now. Wow. Drop me a line or leave me a comment. I'm easy to get a hold of, mitchskaggs@hotmail.com. I'll give you all the information you need, and I challenge you to go over there, take some time, lend a hand, and I promise you, you will be touched. And thank you so much for watching.